Yeah, so in this video, um, our main goal, we are focusing on the sleeving department where labeling branding is happening. So overall, all the records are recording in this paper, and generally this paper is known as labeling verification and uh, sleeving label usage paper. And inside this there are certain important things. Let's say line and swift and thing. So whenever if you want to record this particular entry, let's say the last entry, okay, of chicken samosa large of grab and go gazebo grab and go chicken samosa large 100 gram. So how you can record over there? So process is very simple. The first step is like you have to press on the sleeving department, and when you go inside, this is a sleeving department home screen. You can you have to click on this add record, where it clearly mentions that add a sleeving item stock to the system. So since you click on the save button and another screen appears, you have to select your first production line over here. Whatever line you're working on, in the paper it mentions line number. So we have to select line number 1, and you have to press next. Okay, after coming to next, it is shift, and date will be automatically calculated, and day code will be also automatically calculated, so we don't need to worry about that part. The second thing is we need to first select the point, the item, which is gazebo grab and go chicken samosa large 1 into 6. So over here, either you can scan the barcode directly, or you can select the product from the item. It is gazebo grab and go chicken tikka samosa 1 into 6. Okay, and if you are not sure, you need to again recheck it, to again you want to redo the thing, and by mistake you have chosen the wrong item. You can easily update the item over here, and again you can you can reselect the item if you require. So again, yeah, here you can get the code and the shelf life of the item. And the second thing, you need to, after selecting the product, you need to select the start time and the end time of item, when until what duration the item was picked. So 16.30 was just a line start time, so I will just select 16 16:30 is my start time and set time. And what was the end time was 17:45, so I will select 17:45. Okay, so our start time and end time is finished. We don't need to mention this line again. We have to put the production date. So what was production date? It was 15/8/2025. So just we need to select 15 15/8/2025, and see the use by date will be automatically calculated over here. So it's 2/9/2025, and use by date will be automatically calculated based on the shelf life. And once you're okay with this information, just cross verify, and it will, we don't need to put all this information because it will be automatically calculated. And over here you just need to put the final quantity was total 449 cases. So over here we press type 449 cases inside value. You have to finally cross verify everything is looking good, and just press submit button. And once you see this pop-up, record created successfully, that means you successfully added the record, and your record reference is this number. Your streaming record has been created. You will get a pop-up message where everything will be mentioned. And after that, if you want to allocate the stock, just click on the allocate stock, and over here you will see quantity received from sleeving department. For the label or sleeve, you will definitely receive all the stocks from the sleeving department over here. You have to just click you have to over this button, over this button, drop down button, you just open the button, then you will see all the available stock of the particular item. Here it is it is a GNG chicken samosa. Here it is a label, and this is a box. Okay, you have to just press the use button, and all the stock will be recorded over here. Okay, and over here you can also see that some stock is out of stock. Not to worry, that the admin team will handle it. We just say press on close, and everything. Are you sure you want to close? Okay, done. And if you want to see what record was created over here, you can see line 1, and if you press on the side button, action button, you have 4 things you can see. You can view that particular record you have created: start time, end time, and use by date, and total units. And whatever stock you have allocated, you can see over here. And on the back side, even if, let's say, if you have by mistake updated 449, over here you can go and update the stock. And and if you want to change the quantity, you can change it to 450. Update the record. Okay, the quantity is updated over here, and you can again cross verify 450. And here you can allocate the stock later on. If admin teams tells you that stock is now available, you can update the stock over here again. Okay, and let's say if you want to delete that particular record, you can just press delete button, and stock will be deleted. Okay, so this was a slaving department. You can also view this in a table format or in a card format. All the data will be same. And here is some filters. If you want to see all the day-to-day production line records will be available over here. So this was a slaving department. And let's say here you can get all the uh, product information. And let's say here is chicken tikka samosa. You can just see product information, nothing else. Recipe details. No, that is okay. So that's it for the slimming department. Thank you.